Looking for a solder wick that delivers spotless results every time? Super Wick offers oxide-free, clean copper braided wick that makes desoldering simple and precise. Whether you're working on delicate electronics or complex circuits, this wick helps you remove solder quickly without damaging components. What sets Super Wick apart is its pure type RMA rosin flux, meeting strict MIL F14256F standards. This means you get consistent, reliable performance that's also environmentally safe. Manufactured under SPC guidelines and ROHS compliant, it leaves behind a residue that won't harm your workspace or the environment. I've used Super Wick on several projects, and it consistently makes solder removal effortless. Just place the wick over the solder joint, press the soldering iron tip on top for a second, then lift both together. The solder transfers cleanly onto the wick, leaving a pristine surface ready for component replacement or repair. Unlike cheaper alternatives, Super Wick's copper braid is tightly woven and pressurized around the spool, ensuring smooth, tangle-free use. Adding a little extra flux can boost its effectiveness, but even on its own, it outperforms many no-name brands I've tried. Plus, it's conveniently pocket-sized, so it's easy to keep on hand for any job. If you're tackling electronics repair or assembly, having a dependable solder wick like Super Wick makes a noticeable difference. It protects your components and speeds up your workflow, so you can focus on what matters, getting the job done right the first time. Worth a look if you want a solder wick that balances quality and value. Super Wick is designed for professionals and hobbyists who demand clean, efficient solder removal without fuss. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit and experience smoother desoldering. Ready to make solder cleanup faster and cleaner? Super Wick's pure copper braid and high-grade rosin flux deliver the precision you need for every project. It's time to take control of your soldering work with a product that's trusted and proven.